Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fix of Windows 11 audio crackling. So it's a very simple to do that. Just simply come over into your taskbar here. Just simply click on this speaker icon, and there you can simply click on the select sound output and simply select your right output device. And now if you just scroll down a little bit, here you're going to find out spatial sound. Just simply select your Windows Sonic for headphones. Here you're going to find out more volume settings. Click on that. And if you get any problem, then you can simply click on output device, troubleshoot common output device. You can simply click on it, and this is going to fix your problem. After coming over here, going to click on this more sound settings. Click on that. Into the more sound settings, click on your headphones, click on the right mouse button, and from here rightly click on the properties, and here you can going to click on advanced, and from here you can simply select these two, click apply and OK. Very simple, you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.